Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're planning to study in the UK with a fully funded scholarship, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to prepare a strong Chevening Scholarship application that stands out from thousands of applicants worldwide. Many students miss this incredible opportunity simply because they don't know what Chevening is looking for. In this video, I'll explain everything you need to know, from checking your eligibility to writing powerful essays and preparing for the interview. So make sure you watch until the end because I'll also share common mistakes that can ruin your application. Let's get started. What is the Chevening Scholarship? The Chevening Scholarship is one of the most prestigious international scholarships funded by the UK government. It allows talented students from eligible countries to pursue a one-year master's degree at top universities across the United Kingdom. The scholarship covers almost everything, including full university tuition fees, monthly living allowance, economy class flights to and from the UK, arrival allowance, visa application costs, travel grants for approved academic activities every year. Thousands of students apply, but only a limited number receive this life-changing opportunity. That is why preparation is essential. Step 1. Check your eligibility. Before spending time on your application, confirm that you meet the eligibility requirements. Generally, you should be a citizen of an eligible Chevening country or territory. Hold an undergraduate degree equivalent to a UK bachelor's degree. Have at least 2 years of work experience, including paid employment, internships, volunteering, or part-time work. Apply to 3 eligible UK master's courses. Meet all other eligibility requirements listed by Chevening. Always read the latest official guidelines because requirements may change each year. Step 2. Research UK universities. Choosing the right university is extremely important. Instead of selecting a university based only on rankings, ask yourself, does this course match my career goals? Will it help me make a positive impact in my country? Does the university offer excellent teaching and research in my field? Create a short list of 3 eligible master's programs before submitting your application. Step 3. Prepare your documents. Collect all the necessary documents early. These may include academic transcripts, degree certificates, valid passport, updated CV or resume, employment records if required, university admission information. Keeping everything organized will make the application process much easier. Step 4. Write outstanding essays. This is the most important part of your application. Chevening usually requires applicants to answer essay questions focused on leadership. Show examples where you solved problems, led a team, organized projects, or created positive change. Don't simply say you are a leader. Prove it with real examples. Networking. Explain how you build professional relationships. Discuss conferences, volunteering, student organizations, community projects, or collaborations that demonstrate your networking skills. Studying in the UK. Explain why you selected your courses and universities. Show how studying in the UK fits into your career plans. Avoid generic answers. Make your response personal and specific. Step 5. Demonstrate leadership. Leadership doesn't only mean managing a company. You may have started a community project, mentored younger students, organized university events, led volunteer activities, solved workplace challenges. These experiences matter. Focus on your impact. Step 6. Highlight your work experience. Many applicants underestimate their work experience. Chevening accepts many types of experience, including full-time jobs, part-time jobs, internships, volunteering, freelance work. Make sure you explain what you achieved, not just your responsibilities. Step 7. Prepare for the interview. If you're shortlisted, congratulations. Now prepare for the interview. Review. Your application, your essays, your career goals, your leadership experiences, your reasons for choosing the UK. Practice answering questions confidently and honestly. Be yourself. Common mistakes to avoid. Many applicants lose their chance because they copy essays from the internet. Submit generic responses. Asterisk ignore the essay questions. Asterisk miss application deadlines. Asterisk fail to explain their leadership achievements. Asterisk do not connect their studies with future career goals. Asterisk wait until the last minute to prepare. Avoid these mistakes, and your application will be much stronger. Final tips: start preparing months before the application opens. Research universities carefully. Write authentic essays. Ask trusted mentors to review your application. Proofread everything before submitting. Most importantly, believe in yourself. Many successful Chevening scholars started exactly where you are today. I hope this guide helps you prepare a successful Chevening Scholarship application. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the latest fully funded scholarship opportunities. Also, visit our website for detailed scholarship guides, application deadlines, and official links. Leave your questions in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you for watching, and I wish you the very best with your Chevening Scholarship application. See you in the next video.